a secretary?
Assistant.
Assistant. Still sick?
It's okay. It's all right.
Okay. I just have one question, okay? Just one question. All right, and then I'll leave you alone. All right. I understand.
I have to go.
No! No! No. No. It's all right. It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Are you really, though? Tell us.
I'm fine. It's just gonna take a minute here, all right?
What's going on?
Just answer him.
I understand. I understand that certain things have been going on around here. Big decisions have been made. Do you follow me? Do you follow what I'm getting at?
What do you want?
Just want to ask you something, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you two discussed certain things.
Yes, we have.
You talked about the new job.
You know what we talked about.
Yeah.
We talked about not being frightened. We talked about the ability to make a difference.
To make a difference. Yeah. All right. Now, I'm not going to ask you what brought you to this new job.
It was a temporary job.
Listen. I'm almost there now. I'm almost there. Okay? So, bear with me. I understand that you two became intimate.
I think you should leave.
I know you do! But this is more than just your life. Okay? Now then, you two became lovers.
All right, that's enough.
I don't think so, though, okay? Maybe it's just me. I think I deserve more of this. I think you owe it to me. All the stuff I've done, all the time I've been here. I think you owe it to me. All right? So you two became lovers.
Is that so impossible?
No, it's not impossible.
All right. Then yes, we did.
Right. I just have one question. Would you still slept with him if he didn't support your project?